Well, hello students. This week we're going to be covering chapters 1, 2, and 3 of your Dessler book for this totally online course. As I stated to you, there's going to be 28 discussion questions in all, so the class will be predominantly asynchronous, meaning that you can focus wherever your comfortable environment is on the discussion question. Write 2 substantive paragraphs to me if you're the first respondent, and a substantive paragraph is about 2 or 3 quality sentences, okay? If the first respondent answers me, then every respondent after that will piggyback off another student's reply, therefore simulating a classroom environment. You'll have only 2 papers to do, which will be about 5 to 6 paragraphs, and I will call them hypotheticals 1 and 2, which will come later on in the course. There's no final term paper. I want most of what you're learning to come from interacting with one another, the YouTube videos, and of course my webcams, which I'm going to give you an overview like this each week of the 7 weeks. So let's talk about this week to come. This week to come is basically chapters 1, 2, and 3, and they are considered to be part 1 of the course. And that will be from the Dessler book, what he refers to as an introduction. And we're going to be talking about what's considered to be strategic human resource management. And chapter 1 is going to give you an overview of strategic HR. The second one is going to be equal opportunity and the law. So we're going to be talking a lot about EEOC as it refers to Title VII of the 1964 Civil Rights Act and how it has evolved over the years to include things like different types of preventative discrimination laws and the Americans with Disabilities Act and so forth. When we get into chapter 3, that is actually going to get into the core of HR strategy. The Human Resource Strategic Plan essentially supports the organizational strategic plan. And we're going to be doing a long and short-term strategy analysis on the HR integration with the strategic organizational plan, and then we're going to be analyzing it. So that's essentially the overview of what we're covering this particular week. Now, each day of the week, once you click the hyperlink that is above this particular video that I'm making, and after you read what's below, okay, what you're going to see is a separate folder for each day of the week. In there, you're going to have all of your reading, listening, and viewing content, and also the DQs, discussion questions, for that particular day and week. So it's pretty much self-explanatory to navigate through all of this. It's just that, remember, 7 weeks is pretty much exemplifying what we would do in a 15-week term, and it's pretty condensed, but it's very doable. So a lot of the tasks and the readings are all integrated with one another, so you can use quality time to do your work. So that's kind of an overview of everything, and once you've read and absorbed that, you can click the hyperlink above this video and get started. The week starts on May 21st, and it goes through May 27th, ending on a Sunday, and May 28th will begin the second week of the course. So we'll be going Monday through Sunday. Okay? Have a great day and week.